super pleased that Oliver has decided to get on board and really be a part of the solution for cleaner energy, and we're thrilled to be their partner for this. And one of the reasons why is the amount of projects globally.
This business specialises in the production of valve technologies specific to these hard-to-abate markets. So, aimed at supporting net zero, reducing global warming, and the definite transition away from the traditional hydrocarbon markets. Recognising that decarbonisation, sustainability and green energy are now expectations of all governments, the general public and the global energy sector, that sector is now facing a major transition away from those traditional fossil fuels.
Testing to our gold standard, and we've had that verified by a third party in Germany, and we're both very proud to say our ball valve was the first valve that's been qualified by TÜV worldwide. And probably our greatest lessons learned, a collaboration of ideas with customers and users, and that collaboration of technologies and discoveries we feel is really at the heart of where the green energy sector is going to be.